Yep. Tell them what you got today.
Oh, we got SIG MPX. We're gonna break it down, clean it up, and then lube it back up.
Excellent. Here we're taking all the lubrication that was put on for packing.
There you go. And then, yep.
So when we're heating it here, we're actually using the 300 degrees, 300 psi right there. So after it's clean, we're backing it out, which cools it off. That allows us to pick it up. Come up high. We're at Summerfest, SIG Sauer Academy today. Having a great day with the DVC system. This is the DVC 172 weapons package, range package that SIG has of our systems. SIG uses us, shouldn't you?